Hi guys, welcome back to Garden-ish. I just wanted to make a quick video today and let you all know what I'm doing. I've gone through my final go-through of my germination seeds, and I have a handful that are good. My okra, I got some spineless okra, Super 100 tomatoes, the royal watermelons, and my early girl tomatoes all showed very promising germination. Everything else either got super moldy and didn't show any signs of difference, or just hadn't done anything yet. So I may take these, put them in some quick little 6-packs just to see what happens with them. If I do grow anything, great. If I don't, I'm not out anything. But I will definitely put these, the ones that did germinate, into my good silicone 6-pack trays that I bought. Got them off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. I think I'm going to like these a lot. They're squishy. They have drain holes in them so I can bottom feed my trays. They fit in the trays. I have multiple different plastic trays that were just left over, like everybody else keeps all that stuff. They fit in there, so I'm going to keep them in that. And I've got different colors. Green. Oh my gosh, excuse me. That was ridiculous. Brown, orange. So I got all those. I do have quite a bit of my throwaway trays that I've kept every year, kind of keep them decent so I can reuse them. So I'll have that. And also I have mixed up some potting soil with some, I use this Bountiful Gardens natural source of nutrients. It says literally smells like shit, but I used it last year, and I think this helped out with a lot of my feedings for my soil. And then I also have some worm castings that I throw in there. I don't follow any rules. I just take a couple scoops, take a couple sprinkles, mix it in, and this is going to be what I'm throwing into my silicone trays. And then I have just one of them 5-foot tall stand-up greenhouses that I start everything in. And when it gets chilly, I keep a heater in there, so on the cool nights I can keep everything comfortable. I actually just received in the mail today from my lovely Nick a walk-in greenhouse. So we will probably videotape that, the step-by-steps on setting that up, and give you kind of a review on it. I'm super excited because it's something I would never buy for myself, and he knows me well. So he tries to take care of me, and he does a good job. So I'm going to time-lapse some of this just so, it's not so boring, give you some good music to listen to, and just show you how I do my process. So we're going to be setting up some plants today. We're there. Yay, we're there. So, and right there, let's see, today it's March 5th. I probably should have done this about a week or so ago, but I'm not too worried about it. It just means my season's going to go a little bit longer. It's going to be a little bit later when I get my first tomato or get my first cucumber, that kind of thing. But I'm okay with that because the weather hasn't been decent enough lately to do this and pull everything out. I've got my seed box, my trusty new seed box, and then all of my garb. So it was a good day to pull it out. It's a little windy out here, so I'm not going to make you listen to me anymore. All right? Something else I didn't mention was I received my Baker Creek seeds in the mail the other day. I was able to get a free seed with my purchase, which was a Merlot lettuce. I have basically a tower that I plant all my lettuces in that in, so that way I can move it around from front porch, back porch, sun spots, no sun spots, depending on what the weather is, I can move it around. I also got some sugar bomb peas. I've got this bad boy tomato, Castelluto Genovese. Not sure, but look at this thing. I cannot wait to try that guy off the vine. I got a Shishito pepper pack. Jess from Roots and Refuge Farm, she has a recipe for Shishito pepper and a sauce that she makes with it. And I'm really excited to try it because it sounds like a great combination. So that's why I got those. She turned me on to that. Let's see, we've got a terracotta tomato. So that's an orange tomato. Looks pretty meaty. And then we've got a bread and salt tomato. Just a everyday variety it looks like, but I bet the flavor is amazing. And then I got me a poppy because, you know, we need to keep those pollinators going. And pretty flowers are good for everyone. So we've got those. And then I also have, I ordered a ton of popsicle sticks online. I just write them with a Sharpie. By the time these wear out, I usually know there's already fruit on the plants. I know what's where. And if I have to, I can always go back to my file box and see. I'm going to put everything that I did this year in one box, so that way I know what is out there, no matter what. And then again, here's my silicone trays. Pretty colors. Everything's going to be kind of color coded as much as I can. Why not? Be as organized as possible. So, yeah, let's watch me put my start my seeds, and I'll show you my method to my madness here. So I wanted to show you guys, these are the trays that I use. I don't pay for these. I guess I do overall pay for them. Whenever I go plant shopping, I make sure I get a tray with however many containers I've got of plants. So I have a good stack of these guys laying around. And I just take care of them every year. And I can use them over and over until they completely break down and crack and won't hold water. But those are really good with these style of 6-packs. They've got the hole in the bottom, so I can do bottom watering with these, just because that's something that I've not intentionally done over the years, but I know that it works. And instead of watering over the whole top of everything and letting it come down, I would just add water to the bottom of the tray. A lot simpler, a lot less hassle, a lot less mess sometimes. I'm careless sometimes and I overflow, and then I lose soil, and then I've got to go add soil to my seedlings. So I'm going to do a lot of bottom watering with those trays this year. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and start filling up some containers here. And I've got all of my sticks labeled, at least for now. I've got what I need. Everything's labeled, and they will all get their own label, and we're going to go ahead and do this. All right. Let's see. So we're going to go ahead and make this a tomato tray. I'm going to use these colors for the tomatoes. Why not? I may not do all of these as tomatoes because that's a lot of tomatoes.